Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest reviews to help you make informed beauty choices. Today, we're looking at something that promises to be a game changer for your eye makeup routine. Stila Stay All Day Smudge and Set Waterproof Gel Liner in the shade Damsel Dark Brown. If you love a liner that stays put all day without smudging or fading, then this could be a product you'll want to know about. Let's dive into the details. This waterproof gel eyeliner pencil is designed for long wear performance. It's got the best of both worlds: smooth application and the ability to hold up through anything from a busy day at work to a night out. Whether you want a sharp, defined line or something a little softer and smudged out, this product promises versatility. It's suitable for tightlining, lining the waterline, or creating that sultry, smoky eye look that lasts for hours. Let's talk about the formulation. This gel pencil goes on smooth, offering a rich, matte color that stays put once applied. No more worrying about midday touch-ups. The Damsel Dark Brown shade gives you a deep, neutral brown tone that is flattering for all skin tones and eye colors. It's a great alternative to traditional black liners if you want something a little softer but still bold enough to define the eyes. Plus, the formula is enriched to be waterproof, making it ideal for those who need long-lasting wear or have oily eyelids. Now, I tested this product across a variety of real-world scenarios, wearing it during long office hours, to the gym, and even during a dinner out. I wanted to see if it could really handle the day-to-day grind without fading or smudging. The result? This liner lives up to its claims. Once applied, it doesn't budge. Whether I was wiping my face, getting caught in a little sweat, or just going about my day, this liner stayed true. It does not transfer onto my upper eyelid or fade, which is something I truly appreciate. On to the feel and texture. This liner glides on easily, with no tugging or pulling at the delicate skin around the eyes. It has a gel-like consistency that feels smooth and creamy on application. I love that it didn't dry out or feel uncomfortable throughout the day. As for blending or smudging, it offers just the right amount of playtime before it sets, so you can create that perfect smoky look without worrying about it setting too soon. Now, like any product, it's not without its small caveats. For those with particularly oily eyelids or those prone to watery eyes, you might find that it starts to fade slightly towards the end of a very long day. While it's marketed as waterproof, I did notice a little bit of transfer in more extreme conditions, think humidity or an outdoor event. But for the most part, this pencil performed well in normal, everyday conditions. When it comes to value for money, the Stila Stay All Day Smudge and Set Waterproof Gel Liner is priced in the mid-range for a gel pencil eyeliner. You're definitely paying for the long wear formula and the brand's reputation, which in my opinion, justifies the price tag. The fact that it's waterproof and can handle multiple makeup looks makes it worth the investment for anyone who needs a reliable, smudge-proof liner. Comparing it to other gel pencil liners on the market, I find that this one stands out in terms of its rich pigmentation and long-lasting wear. Some lower-priced alternatives might give you a similar application, but they tend to smudge more easily or fade over time. If you're looking for something that promises not to disappoint, Stila delivers on this front. In terms of build quality, the pencil is solid. It's not overly bulky, and it sharpens easily, giving you the perfect point for precise application. The packaging is simple yet effective, sleek with a secure cap to prevent it from drying out. For customer service, Stila has a good reputation. While I haven't personally had to contact them, they are known for offering prompt responses to customer inquiries, which is always a good sign when investing in a premium product. So does it live up to its claims? In most cases, yes. This product is well suited for anyone who needs a versatile, long-wear eyeliner that can go the distance without budging or fading. It's perfect for those who wear makeup all day or want a liner that can stand up to heat, sweat, or even a tear or two. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable waterproof eyeliner that won't disappoint, I would recommend giving this one a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.